औज़ुबिल्लाहिमिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today on 24th of October 2020 our topic for class 8th subject English. Our topic is narration. It is continued. Our rule number 3 for the narration, direct indirect speech, is present perfect changes into past perfect as. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट पास्ट परफेक्ट में तब्दील होता है. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट पास्ट परफेक्ट में तब्दील होता है. तो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट एज यू ऑलरेडी नो एंड पास्ट परफेक्ट यू ऑल्सो नो इट. present perfect subject have, subject plus have, has and third form of the verb. Past perfect subject plus had plus third form of the verb is past perfect. So let's take a few examples. Direct. She said, the teacher has come. The teacher has come. It is present perfect. So let us change it into indirect. She said that. That is conjunction or link word. She said that the teacher had come. Has changes into had. So the teacher had come. It is past perfect. So present perfect changes into past perfect. Dear students, try to make at least 10 examples, 10 sentences in present perfect in direct speech and change them into indirect. Rule number 4. Present perfect continuous tense changes into past perfect continuous tense as. फिर से मैं दोहराता हूं. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस जो है ये तब्दील होता है पास्ट परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में. लेट्स टेक एन एग्जांपल. डायरेक्ट. Rom said the teacher has been coming. The teacher has been coming. It is present continuous. It is present continuous. Subject plus has been or have been plus ing form of the verb or present participle. It is the structure for present continuous, present perfect continuous. So let us change it into indirect. Rom said that the teacher had been coming. Had been. It is past perfect continuous tense. So present perfect continuous tense changes into past perfect continuous tense. Let us take another example of the same. Direct. Imtiaz said. Imtiaz said, I have been learning my lesson. Imtiaz said, I have been learning my lesson. Indirect. Imtiaz said that he had been learning his lesson. Imtiaz said that he had been learning his lesson. Rule number 5. Past simple or past indefinite changes into past perfect. Past simple or past indefinite changes into past perfect as. Direct speech. He said the cow died in the morning. It is past simple or past indefinite. As you already know, past simple, there we should have subject and we should have second form of the verb. Second form of the verb, past. He said the cow died in the morning. Past simple changes into past perfect. Indirect. He said that the cow had died in the morning. Had died. It is past perfect. So past simple changes into past perfect. Let us take another example. Direct. The mother said. The mother said the baby slept at 9. The mother said the baby slept at 9. Indirect. The mother said that the baby had slept at night. So it is past perfect. So past simple changes into past perfect. So dear students, try to make, it is home assignment, make 10 sentences present perfect in direct speech and change them into past perfect in indirect speech. And the another rule, make at least 10 sentences in present perfect continuous tense in direct speech and change them into past perfect continuous tense in indirect speech. Make 10 sentences in past simple. Make 10 sentences in past simple and change them into past perfect in indirect speech. So this is all for today. Inshallah, by tomorrow we will continue the topic. Thanks to all.